There's a teacher shortage. One study found that more than 80% of schools are struggling to find qualified staff. That means as an English teacher, you can land a new job fast if you know how to write a great cover letter. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io, and in this video, I'll share my top 3 tips to write a great English teacher cover letter that will have you standing in front of your new class in no time. As an English teacher, you're already a good writer, so crafting a cover letter that lands you the job shouldn't be too difficult if you follow these 3 tips. Number 1, keep it concise. You may be a master of poetry and prose, but that doesn't change the fact that the hiring manager or principal is likely short on time. If you're wondering how long your cover letter should be, the answer is between 250 to 400 words. Every sentence should focus on why you're the right candidate for the job. Which leads me to tip number 2, keep it customized. Read the job description closely and think about the student population and the challenges the school may face. A cover letter for a 3rd grade classroom in a public school is going to look very different from one for teaching ESOL to adults or teaching English in a foreign country. Each example you give on your cover letter should show why you're the right choice for that specific role. To do this, create short anecdotes using the STAR method. First, describe a situation, your task, the action you took, and the positive result it created. Numbers and statistics are also great to include here, but you can focus more on your soft skills and personal qualities if you're writing an English teacher cover letter with no experience. You can find this adaptable English teacher cover letter sample in the description below. And my final tip is all about the formatting. Make sure your cover letter is well organized and easy to read. To create a more professional presentation, you can use professionally designed matching cover letter and resume templates like the ones linked below. With these 3 tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to landing a great English teaching job. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest advice for job seekers and tips for landing your dream job.